Hi class, welcome to today's math lesson. Yesterday we started our new chapter of composing and decomposing numbers 11 through 19. So yesterday we made numbers 11 through 15. Now today we're going to take them apart. So when we take apart, we start with our big number. Let's get on this page in our book, page 449, and let's get started. All right, I'm going to choose a number from 11 to 15. I'm going to go ahead and choose the number 12. So I want you to take the number 12 and write it in our first blank. We're starting with the number 12. Now let's use our tens frames to show this number. We're going to take it apart. If we have 12, let's see if we can fill in the first tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We filled our first tens frame. We know that one full tens frame equals 10. Now we're taking apart 12, so let's see how many we need to fill in our second one to take it apart. We were at 10. Here's 11 and 12. Now how many did we need to add to our second tens frame? 1 and 2. So we used 10 counters in our first tens frame and 2 in our other tens frame to take apart the big number 12. We are going to skip the See and Show page and the On Your Own and go straight ahead to problem solving. All right, and they've given us our big number. We're going to take it apart in our two tens frames. All right, we're going to trace the big number. 14 is our first one we're going to take apart. Let's draw it in our tens frames. Remember, one full tens frames is 10. Now when we write this in our sentence, we start out with our big number. 14 is, and if we look at our first tens frame, 10. And how many more do we need to put in our second tens frame? If it's 14, count up. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is 10 and 4. If we look at that big number, 14, in our ones place is a 4. And look, there's a 4 too. We only put 4 in our second tens frame. And our tens place is a 1. There's our 10. Remember, if we have a 1 in our tens place, we have one group that has 10. Just like in the morning when we do calendar. We have a bundle of 10 in our tens group. That is only 1 in our tens. Now let's do the next one. Trace the big number we're going to take apart. 13. So put 13 down here as well. 13 is, let's first do our first tens frame. 10. And how many more? 11, 12, 13. So 13 is 10 and 3. Break apart the tens and the ones to see how we can take apart 13. All right, go back, finish up the See and Show on your own, and submit your homework on Schoology.